Hey guys, today I'm going to be doing a review on the Salon Selective Humidity Resistance Hairspray. So this is, the control hold on it is 3, so it should have like a pretty flexible hold. It says for flexible volume, so it's not, it shouldn't make your hair like, it doesn't actually, have used it, it doesn't make my hair like super crunchy, which is always the goal. It says weightless control and radiant shine. Maybe it's like hard to see. It is a 4-ounce bottle, so just know, but it is pretty thin, it's just long. So I think the thinness of it like makes it pretty easy to travel with, just like throw it in your bag. But just know you can't throw it in like carry-on bag and go through and take it on an airplane because it's a little bit bigger than that. It's an aerosol can, so it's really a little bit hard to open. It's an aerosol can. You spray a little bit of the product. It has like a strong perfumey scent to it, so it's not like really super fruity, but it has, I think, like your typical, I think most hairsprays, to be honest, smell pretty similar, and this is no exception to that. I think like the one hairspray that has like a really specific scent to it, that's like, if I smell it, I know what brand that is Aussie, and oh my gosh, it's such a good smell. I love that hairspray because of the smell. But anyways, not doing a review on Aussie. This is Salon Selective. So on the back it says that Salon Selectives Control Hold Formula provides weightless styling, control, and all-day long-lasting hold. Vitamin and protein enriched formula replenishes all hair types. This flexible hairspray lifts from root to tip to boost flat, tired hair with body fullness and all-day control, like you just stepped out of a salon. I mean, I don't think hairspray really does much for styling. What it does is it holds your style together, so I feel like the description of it is just a little not right because it doesn't do anything for your style, for styling your hair. Other products do that, and then you use the hairspray to make sure that it stays looking like that. But anyway, it says hold 10 to 12 inches from hair and spray evenly to style. Respray for touch-ups, additional hold, or to refinish any style. It is in an aerosol can, so just know that it is flammable. And so yeah, I do like this hairspray. I think it does keep my hairstyle looking pretty good, and it really does fight humidity, like it says in the front, humidity resistant. I will say there is a difference. I have really thick, curly, frizzy hair. So there is a difference when I use it, when I leave my hair natural and curly, and versus when I straighten my hair. I think it works a lot better when my hair is already straight and I spray some of this on to keep like flyaways down and to keep it from getting frizzy. It works really well, and because it's not like volume control 4 or 5, it's only 3, it does keep my hair pretty soft and flowy. It doesn't make it like hard or crunchy. However, when I use it when it's curly, I don't really think it works that well, which is disappointing. I think that I have to use more of the product when my hair is curly, so it ends up making it crunchy and hard. So like it's impossible to run my fingers through my hair when I use this when my hair is curly because I have to use so much of the product. It makes it hard. And even using a lot of product, I think it's still just like, I think my hair just still gets really frizzy, and it doesn't do as good of a job of fighting humidity and things like that when my hair is curly. So that's probably my biggest complaint. I think that if you have like really fine, thin hair, then this is a great product for you. If you have really coarse, thick, curly hair, this is not the product for you. It's not going to really do much for you. Maybe if you got it in like a higher number of control holds, so like 5, it would work better. But just know that that one is also going to make your hair much harder and just like not cool. It's like, it's not fun to touch, or not that, I don't know if anyone has ever said, oh, my hair is so fun to touch. That was a little bit of a weird statement I just made. But it's not nice to touch. I don't know, like if you're the type of person who likes to have your hair played with, this is not going to be the product for you if you have curly hair, because no one is going to be able to do anything with your hair. It's almost going to be like you move one side of your hair, like try to move one strand of hair and all of it moves, is basically what it's like when I use this product. But I mean, like I said, if you have thin, fine, straighter hair, like pretty manageable hair, this is going to do the job for you. It's cruelty free, which is always nice to know. It's made in Canada. It comes in this pretty shiny metallic pink bottle, which is cute, and like I said, it's really easy to travel with, and it lasts a while depending on what kind of hair you have. Like, I've started to only use it when my hair is straight, and so I use less of the product and it lasts me a good while. So overall, I would recommend this depending on what kind of hair you have. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video.